Hello, I will review Nail Gun Battery Powered, NEU Master 18 Gauge 2-in-1 Cordless Brad Nailer, Staple Gun with 2.0 Ah-Li-ion Battery. About item. NEU Master 20 volts max battery powered brad nailer, stapler eliminates need for compressors, hoses or costly gas cartridges. It is a great ideal for different nailing and stapling application on various materials. The cordless nails gun has cylinder driving system that provide consistent firing power and can penetrate 2 inches wood at maximum setting. The cordless brad nails, staples gun features tool-free depth of drive adjustment for proper setting of nailing, a quick release 100 nails, staples capacity magazine, the dual LED light for workspace and error indication, a belt hook for free up your hands as needed, easy to use and improve efficiency. Feature the upgraded lithium-ion technology. The battery nail gun is lasting long and fires up to 800 nails after a fully charged 2Ah lithium battery. Thanks for watching. Get details, best price and discount for this product by link in description.